For example, we discuss here, find the point on the x-axis. Means one point we consider and that point is on x-axis. We consider which point lie on the x-axis. Let suppose point here A and B are given. We consider C point. Point on the x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Then here, which number we write here? Here 1, correct. Here, and here. On left side, -3. On upper side, 1, 2, 3. On lower side, -1, -2, -3. Point C on x-axis, on left side, otherwise on right side. Suppose here, but actual we don't know its place is where, that point C on x-axis. Suppose here, then coordinate of that point is, yes, good, give answer. 3, 0. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is here 0. But actual its place we don't know, at 3 or 4, 5 or 7 or 8. Therefore here number is changing, that number we consider A. Means coordinate of point C is A0, 3, 0. That is we consider A0. On the x-axis. Is it correct? Point we consider C on the x-axis. We write given sentence. Who tell the given sentence? The point is equidistant from A and B. This is the given sentence. Tell here given sentence.
The point is equidistant from A and B.
The point, we write here name of that point.
C.
Yes, correct. Point C is equidistant
From A and
from A and
B.
B. Here, coordinate of A is -3, 4 and coordinate of B is 1, -4. Therefore, this sentence is given. In bracket we write this is given. Therefore, we write in sign form. Who tell the sign form?
Distance AC is equal to distance BC.
Good, very good answer. Distance between C and A, that is AC, and distance between B and C, that is BC. Both distance is equidistance. Equal distance, is it correct? Distance is equal distance from C to A and C to B, that is AC and BC. This distance is equal. Therefore, we write here What we use?
By distance formula.
Good. By distance formula, what we write?
In square root.
In square root
X2 minus x1 that is
x2 minus x1. Suppose this is x2 and here y2, and point C is important, that is x1 y1. x2 minus x1 means
minus 3
minus
minus 8
3 minus a
bracket square
bracket square plus
4 minus
y2 minus y1 bracket square.
4 minus 0 bracket square.
Yes, 4 y2 is 4 minus y1 is 0 bracket square is equal to, good answer given here. On left side we can use distance formula. On right side we can use distance formula. What we write? In square root.
x2 minus x1
B suppose x2 y2 and C suppose
x1
x1 y1. Then x2 minus x1 means
1 minus
1 minus
a
a bracket square plus
minus
y2 minus y1 means
minus 4 minus 0
minus 4 minus 0 bracket square. Yes. Therefore, and we write here reason
minus
is good by distance formula. What is the next step? Who tell the next step? Anyone? Can't remember?
sign changing
Sign changing? No. Good try. This root we remove. That is the first step. This root remove by
squaring both sides
good by squaring both sides. Root remove, and what is the remaining term?
minus 3 minus a square
Plus 4 minus 0 means
4
4 square is equal to, here also after squaring root remove
1 minus a bracket square
1 minus a bracket square
plus
minus 4 minus 0 means
plus
no minus 4 and square remaining, and reason is
squaring both sides
yes, good by squaring. Good. Therefore we can use formula.
a minus b bracket square
Yes, a minus b bracket square. That formula we can use. Here a minus b bracket square is equal to, tell formula,
a square minus 2ab
a square minus 2ab
plus b square
plus b square. That formula we can apply here.
minus 3 square
First term square means minus 3 square
minus
minus
2 into
2 into
minus 3
minus 3 into
a
no
minus a
minus a and plus
minus a square
second term square, that is minus a square
plus
plus
4 square
4 square.
16
4 square is 16 is equal to, here also we can use a minus b formula. Who tell the answer?
a 1 square
First term square means 1 square minus
2 into
2 into first term,
1 into minus a
second term a.
plus
Here that minus sign we write here, therefore we cannot take minus sign. Similarly here also minus sign actually we write here, therefore we cannot take minus a. Is it correct? Minus sign we write here, therefore we can't take minus b here. Minus b and minus plus it becomes. Therefore that is wrong method after taking minus sign. Is it correct? And
minus a square
plus second term a square plus
16
minus 4 square is plus 16. Good answer given here. Then which term cancel? Plus 16 plus, therefore we write next step. Minus 3 square is plus 9, and here minus it becomes plus multiplication 6a plus minus a square is not a square rating, a square and plus 16 get cancel is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 2 into a 2a plus a square and 16 get cancelled. Then which term cancel on both sides? Plus a square get cancelled. Good. Therefore, remaining term tell here 9 plus 6a is equal to 1 minus 2a. Therefore, we write like terms together. A and A are like terms. Good. 6a is equal to, good, one number remaining, plus 9 taking on RHS side, it becomes minus 9. Therefore, 6a plus 2a, 8a, good. With sign 1 minus 9 we cannot subtract, but 9 minus 1 we get 8 and larger number sign is minus. Therefore, eight a is equal to minus 8, a is equal to minus 8 upon 8. 8 multiplied taking on RHS side, it becomes divide. A is equal to 8, 1 is 8, minus 1 upon 1 means 1. Therefore, what is the asking question? That is the asking question. And that point we consider C point. Is it correct? And what we consider? Yes? Point C we consider A. Small mistake. Yes, A0. Point C considered 0. One student say A, another student say 0. A0. Here point C is A0 we consider. Is it correct? And we substitute value here. Value of A is -1, 0. That is the asking question. Sentence tell here. Therefore, the point name of that point is C and coordinates are and 0 eating. The point C -1 0 on the x axis, and that is the asking question. Is any difficulty? Then next example, question number 4 we discuss here. That question asked on board question at July 2019. Verify that points P, Q and R are vertices of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle in this way. How many possibility? 3 possibility. Point P is right angled, otherwise point Q is at right angle place. Is it correct? Otherwise point R is on right angle place. Suppose here P, then here Q and R. Suppose here Q, here P and here. Suppose here R, P and here Q. These are the 3 possibilities. What is the next step? What we find out when we say that points are the vertices of a right angled triangle. When we say that these points are the vertices of right angled triangle. No one can tell answer.
पायथागोरस थेरमनुसार बाजूकडून तुमचं
Good.
पायथागोरस थेरमनुसार त्यांच्या बाजू डिस्टन्स काढायचा डिस्टन्स क्यू क्यू आर आणि पी आर चा डिस्टन्स
Yes. First and second PQ we find out. After that second and third QR and first and third that is PR. And we can use
पायथागोरस
no distance formula how many times? 3 times. And after that
largest side is equal to square largest side square is equal to squares of both
remaining 2 sides. Good. Good answer given. Very good. That is the thinking capacity. You increase your capacity. You increase your capacity after eating. Increase your capacity. But we want mental capacity we increase. For that purpose, I ask question. Only one student give that answer. How many times we can use distance formula? 3 times. And after that, largest side square is equal to sum of squares of remaining 2 sides. If that condition we get, then we can use
converse of Pythagoras theorem.
Good. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that that triangle is right angle triangle. And these are the vertices of right angle triangle. After that, we write conclusion. Is it correct? First, take P point and coordinates are -2, 2. Second is Q. Coordinates are 2, 2. Here we consider x1, y1 good, x2, y2 good.
By distance,
Good. Therefore, by distance formula,
PQ is equal to
PQ is equal to
square root x minus x x2 minus x1
x2 minus x1
bracket square
bracket square
plus y2 minus y1 bracket square.
y2 minus y1 bracket square. Therefore,
PQ is equal to 2 minus
value of x2 is 2 good minus
minus 2
value of x1 is -2. We write in box bracket and curly bracket square plus
2 minus
y2. Value of y2 is 2 minus
minus 2
value of y1 is 2. We write here and bracket square. Good.
PQ is equal to 2 plus
Square root eating
square root 2 plus
2 minus minus
plus
plus
2 bracket square plus 0 minus
2 minus 2 that is 0 bracket square.
PQ is equal to 4 bracket square
As addition is 4 square, 0 square is 0. Therefore,
PQ is equal to
16 plus
in square root 4 square is 16 plus 0 means 16 we get. Therefore, next
PQ is equal to 4
root of 16 is 4 and that is equation 1. Then
distance QR
no,
Q is equal to 2
Q is equal to 2 2.
R is equal to
R is equal to
2 7
2 7. This is
x1 y1
and here
x2 y2
therefore
by distance formula.
yes by distance formula
QR is equal to
QR is equal to
in square root x2 minus x1
tell here in square root
x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square.
therefore QR is equal to in square root
2 minus minus
value of x2 is 2 minus
2
value of x1 is 2 bracket square plus
7 minus
value of y2 is 7 and value of y1 is
2
means 7 minus 2
bracket
bracket square.
QR is equal to
Next,
QR is equal to
in square root
0
2 minus 2 that is 0
square
plus
5 square.
7 minus 2 that is 5 square.
QR is equal to in square root 5 square is equal to
0 square that is 0 plus
5 square is equal to 25.
5 square is 25.
QR is equal to in square root 25.
Addition is 25. Correct.
QR is equal to 5.
And root of 25 is 5. That is equation 2. Then next
P is equal to
P is equal to
minus 2
minus 2 to
R is equal to 27.
2 7. This is
X1, Y1, X2, Y2. By distance formula.
correct by distance formula.
PR is equal to
PR is equal to
in square root X2 minus X1 bracket square plus Y2 minus Y1 bracket square. So,
2 S x2 is value of x2 is 2 minus value of x1. Value of x1 is negative, we write in minus 2 and bracket square plus
7 minus
yes, value of y2 is 7 and value of y1 is 2. 7 minus 2 bracket square. Good. Next,
PR is equal to in square root
in square root
2 bracket 2 plus
minus minus plus 2 bracket square plus
5 square.
subtraction is 5 square. Yes. Addition is 4 square plus 5 square. 4 square is 16 plus addition is 5 square is 25. Yes. First add and then. दोन्ही रीते बरोबर आहे. ठीक आहे, शिवाय येतोय. Yes. Addition is 41. That is equation 3. From equation 1 to 3. Largest side is PR for root 41, and here 5 means root 25, here 6 means root 16, root 16, root 25 and root 41. Which is the larger? Root 41 is the larger number. Is it correct? Means PR is equal to root 41. Then what is the next step?
PR is equal to PR. The remaining
Root 41 plus is equal to
plus QR.
Small mistake. Small mistake. Yes, PR square. PR square, we write here square. Largest side first find out, then largest side square we find out, and after that next step we find out. That step we discuss in after some time. Yes. PR square.
E square root 41 square.
Root 41, it's a square. Next, square of root 41. 41. Square root cancel after squaring. That is equation 4.
Addition of remaining two sides.
Addition of remaining two sides squares.
PQ square plus QR square.
PQ square plus QR square. Remaining two sides are PQ and QR, and squares addition we do here.
4 square plus 5 square.
Value of PQ is 4, its square, plus value of QR is 5, its a square. Next,
16 plus 25.
4 square is 16 plus 5 square is 25. Next,
41.
addition, can't do addition. Yes.
From equation 4 and 5.
Yes, from equation 4 and 5. From equations 4 and 5.
PR square is equal to
Yes, right side of equation 4, 41, and equation 5, 41 means right side is similar, therefore left side is similar. Left side is first 4 equations, left side is
PR square.
PR square, similar. Left side of equation 5.
PQ square plus QR square.
Yes, PQ square plus QR square.
So this is equation 4 and 2 written. 4 and 5.
Equation 4 and 5. Yes.
By converse of Pythagoras.
Good. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, what we write conclusion?
Point P,
No.
triangle PQR
Triangle PQR
is a right angled triangle.
is a right angled triangle. And from that equation, which angle next? From that equation, which angle we say right angle? Angle PQR is a right angle. How you decide angle PQR is a right angle? How you decide? As it is. Yes. How you decide that angle PQR is a right angle? No. Next. Yes, good. That PR is hypotenuse. That equation is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. And that is a hypotenuse. PR is hypotenuse. PR is hypotenuse. Then remaining point is Q, that is right angle. In this way, we can say that angle PQR is right angle. Is it correct? And therefore, what we write conclusion? We know this is right angle and one angle is 90 degree. We find. After that, no.
45 degrees.
Yes, good. Tell here. Points. Yes. Points P, Q, and R are the vertices of a, yes, that is the asking question. That student find, that is the asking question. Point P, Q, R are vertices of a right angular triangle, and this is verified. That is the asking question. We write answer in this format, and that student give good answer, and we write hence the proof. This is the method of solution. Is any difficulty? Write down.